So sir, I would also one thing that happened after the lockdown, that if you see into the industries, different industries and different businesses, then कोई ना कोई तो hamper है जी, कोई ना कोई बहुत बड़ा hit like ची entire industry को, जो भी industry को ना कहते. But when we talk about the medical supply, when we talk about the healthcare sector, so what's the business impact you are seeing during the lockdown and after the lockdown?
The lockdown has really landed up in protective PPE जो equipment, protective जो personal equipments, they're very shortage initial phase. Now, lot of companies, local companies have started coming up with PPEs. Masks are not available, whereas surgical caps are available. Masks are available. PPE is very difficult to get. And secondly, turnover देखिए अगर patient hospital turnover has come down by 60-70%. Patient they have been very scary. They are not coming for OPDs. We are also telling them not to come for routine checkups unless it's an emergency. Whatever we are doing is only emergency surgery, like cesarean or trauma. And if you see, the NSS are at very much high risk, whereas the dental surgeons, they have almost stopped, closed down their clinics since last 2 months because of the aerosol form. Aerosol form virus, they are more prone to this. Anesthesists, those are dealing with the mouth area. They are most dangerous. And you must be knowing that recently it was in the newspaper that in India 5.8 lakhs surgery or elective surgery has been postponed by 2 months. Just imagine. So it is a big impact. How they are going to finish their 5.8 lakhs and when to start doing elective surgery? The government has not given any directive so far.
Yeah. So Patrick, आपण जे सर्जरी कथा कहले कि जो पोस्टपोन हेची सब केमती इंपैक्ट करूची. So I would like to ask on that कि आपण लागुनी that the fatality rate जोटा थिला other diseases को नेकी सेटा कोना कोन टिके increase हेची due to excessive focus on the COVID-19.
If you see altogether, the fatality rates it's still big because हमें last 56 day आज हैला. What I am saying in my hospital practice, acute abdomen pain regularly that is not happening. Accidents are not happening because people are moving around with vehicles. It has reduced, and lot of other similar because people are staying at home eating healthy food. So abdominal problems which accidents which trauma cases those are not seen. What are seen in this? The problem lies with the cancer patients; those are still waiting. The transplant cases, जो transplant liver हो कि जो kidney transplants, उनको problem होची. और हमें देखो जो dialysis patients, they can't wait long because they want at least twice a week or so they are more being affected. Cancer patients are getting affected, and within the first month, 30 days, we didn't see much of cases, but now we are seeing more of poisoning cases. Poisoning cases, either due to domestic violence, I don't know what reason, and some psychiatric illnesses have come up. And dialysis patients are most of them are dying because of lack of treatment. Cancer patients, we don't know what is the exact figure, but lot of surgeries are still pending. I think the stage 1 or 7, they must have gone to now stage 3 by now. So they would have become inoperable. So that is the biggest factor about this that affected the healthcare sector. And this is after giving more focus on COVID rather than we are not concentrating on the other illnesses.
Exactly, sir. And so overall, जरूर आउट क्वेश्चन के लिए ऐड करियो चाहिए तारियो करे कि आपन लागुनी कि ओवरऑल जदी देखियो गले फैटलिटी रेट विषय आपन कहले बट जते हेल्थ डिजीजेस थिले जाउ नै कि आगुरा में बहुत ही कॉशियस थिले एंड ताको नै कि हम ध्यान रखले बट ए कोविड सिचुएशन आसला परे कोट ना कोट सब हेल्थ डिजीज को हम धीरे धीरे नेग्लेक्ट करछु से जिनसटा आपन फील होछि बिकॉज़ नो वन इज डिस्कसिंग अबाउट दैट कि एबे को रोग विषय कोन हबो कोन एवरीवन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट कोविड-19 सो डू यू थिंक दैट वी आर नेग्लेक्टिंग अदर हेल्थ डिजीजेस जोटा कि डेली ही परे
I don't think we are at least not neglecting, but the other factor, I'm to neglect other diseases. We are still now, must have tested for COVID around 30 patients. All have turned out to be negative. And all because the death rates have come down because either we don't know because पेशेंट मान डेथ रेट तो देखु आम आम हॉस्पिटल भी बहुत कम डेथ रेट देखी एज कंपेयर टू रेगुलरली जैसे आसे आई ड्यू टू द लो patient load, or I don't know exactly, but it has come down. But we are not neglecting, only we want directives from the government whether to start elective surgery or not. We are doing emergency surgery. We are doing with all wearing PPE, equipments, masks and all those things.